Celebrations aside, done and dusted, it's time for them to now decide who the chief minister is going to be. It's a big responsibility. Who does the BJP appoint as the chief minister of Delhi after 27 years? And remember, an era that ended with Madan Lal Khurana, Sahib Singh Varma, Sushma Swaraj. Who gets to lead that again? Back-to-back hectic meetings have been on. We are told that the name of the Delhi CM will be announced possibly after Prime Minister Modi returns from the trip to France and the United States of America. And that return is scheduled for 13th February. Yesterday, however, all 42 newly elected MLAs, Delhi MPs, met at the BJP office. It was a time for celebration. What you're looking at is a double-engine Sarkar. All 7 Lok Sabha MPs of the Bharatiya Janata Party. All 48 MLAs of Delhi, now of the Bharatiya Janata Party out of 70. Of course, over 22 also of the AAP. So all these BJP MLAs, MPs got together. It was a time to welcome. Parvesh Verma remains the top contender. But also remember, there are 5 more at least. And it will be the BJP to decide the top brass on who it's going to be.
सीएम के इच्छुक हैं आप?
मैं तो विधायक हूँ, विधायक था, 48 विधायकों में से एक हूँ। पार्टी जिसको चाहेगी सब बराबर है।
सीनियर नेता है बीजेपी के?
मैं पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता हूँ।
इस पार्टी के अंदर आप भी अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि सीएम कौन होंगे, ये प्रधानमंत्री जी और हमारा संगठन जो हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हैं माननीय गृह मंत्री जी बैठकर चर्चा करेंगे सबसे राय करके। और दिल्ली में सीएम कौन होगा इसका पैरामीटर क्या है? इसका ये कि जो प्रधानमंत्री जी का विजन को इम्प्लीमेंट कर सके। दिल्ली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हमारा स्टेट है और बार बार एक सवाल पूछा जाता है कि दिल्ली का सीएम चेहरा कौन होगा। बस मैं आपको एक बार अश्योर कर सकता हूँ, दिल्ली का जो सीएम होगा हमारा, वही हमारा सीएम का चेहरा होगा।
Well, everyone is a karyakarta. One CM will have to be decided, and the BJP is known to spring a surprise. Usually, most of the front runners are not the chosen name. But here, still, because our job is to, however, present to you about who, as by all logic, are the big front runner names. Now, of course, remember, let's take a look at this. Parvesh Verma is on the top. And the son of Delhi CM, former Delhi CM Sahib Singh Varma, has been a former member of parliament, has been an MLA. Plus, of course, he's the giant slayer. He defeated Arvind Kejriwal. So, in all logic, it does seem that Parvesh Verma could be the big choice. However, Vijender Gupta, the Rohini MLA, has been one of the topmost veterans of the BJP, has been the leader of opposition in Delhi Assembly, has held the party leadership perhaps at a time when BJP didn't stand a chance in Delhi. Then there is Satish Upadhyay, the one who defeated Somnath Bharti in Malviya Nagar. Has been a significant Brahmin face. He's also handled a lot of responsibilities of the BJP. He's close to RSS. Could he be the one? Ashish Sood. Now, remember, Ashish Sood, Janakpuri MLA, has been associated with the BJP RSS for a very long time, decades. Understands Delhi politics with the details that very few BJP leaders are known to have. Then there is Jitendra Mahajan, a senior leader again, Rohtas Nagar, and therefore all 5 of them, remember, have been close to the top leadership of the BJP. So according to our assessment, these 5 are the front runners until, of course, the BJP comes across with a name whom many would not have decided about. Now, because I was telling you about Parvesh Verma and why he does appear to possibly be the one who could get the helm of affairs after 27 years and almost after where Sahib Singh Varma left. Sushma Swaraj briefly for about 52 days was the chief minister. Sahib Singh Varma held the sway for 31 months in Delhi. Would Sahib Singh Varma take forward that legacy? But what works against him or for him? He defeated Arvind Kejriwal from New Delhi, like Kejriwal defeated Sheila Dikshit. So that, of course, is the big game that he's managed to succeed. But eventually, because he's a young, dynamic, in his 40s, an energetic leader, has been speaking to the media, giving all sorts of right quotes and headlines. He is also the Jat face of the BJP, a prominent population and a vote bank in national capital Delhi. And is the son, like I said, of former CM Sahib Singh Varma. So he understands political experience and has had an RSS background, good connect with the voters. Because remember, it's not the first time for him. He's been a member of parliament, he's been an MLA, and therefore understands how to garner more votes. Always surrounded by controversies. This goes against him. Remember, because of the comments that he's made, especially when he was a member of parliament in the past few days as well, while he tried to comparatively stay low profile, but some of his quotes have led to massive controversies for the BJP. This specific, remember that in reference to minorities that he had said when he was a member of parliament a few years ago, that had led to a lot of commotion against him. Jats are less than 7% in Delhi. So while it's a prominent population, could the significant number that otherwise the BJP would have wanted does not come here for Parvesh Verma? Accused of violating MCC during elections. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party had been charging him. Is he distributing cash? Is he distributing in any way any item that could manipulate or influence the voter? AAP had demanded action against him. So these are some of the controversies against. So pro and against, that's what the BJP top brass is going to discuss and deliberate about. I want to bring in my colleague Piyush Mishra, closely tracks the Bharatiya Janata Party on this. Piyush, good morning. You tell me what will be on the mind possibly of the Bharatiya Janata Party when they decide the next Chief Minister of Delhi. And can we say it makes sense that Parvesh Verma for now could be the CM?
Good morning, Pooja, to you and to all our viewers. And like you rightly mentioned that yes, Parvesh Verma is the front runner, and soon after he was also declared as a winner from New Delhi Assembly constituency. He held meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP's National President JP Nadda. And BJP is going to keep a lot of things in mind because after 27 years of exile, BJP has been able to form government in national capital. So BJP is going to keep a caste equation in mind, and the leaders from Jat, Punjabi, Bania, Thakur, Dalit. These will be the factors on which BJP is going to put a lot of focus on. So if we talk about Jat, Parvesh Verma is the front runner. Punjabi, Virendra Sachdeva, though he is not MLA and only Delhi BJP president, that is not a big hurdle. Apart from Virendra Sachdeva, we have Ashish Sood also. And if Bania, Vijendra Gupta, Rekha Gupta, Ajay Mahawar, and there are many others from Bania community also. From Dalit also, this time BJP has been able to win 6 seats out of 7 Dalit dominated seats in Delhi. So BJP is certainly going to keep caste equation in mind before announcing the name of a Chief Minister in Delhi. What sources are telling us, Pooja, that first round of meeting on who will be the next face of BJP in Delhi has already taken place, and that took place on the very day of results. You would remember that soon after addressing Karyakartas at BJP headquarters, PM Narendra Modi held a top-level meeting with Amit Shah and JP Nadda, in which BL Santosh and other leaders of BJP were also present. After that, yesterday, JP Nadda called Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Arvind Singh Lavli, Parvesh Verma and few other leaders at his residence. And late in the evening also, there was a series of meetings took place at BJP office in Delhi. So all these deliberations are going on.
The huddles are on. Decided. Possibly the names already decided, but they'll announce it only after Prime Minister Modi returns from the visit to United States of America. But remember, it will be crucial in this double-engine Sarkar, Prime Minister Modi at the centre, who will be in Delhi. And for all the promises that have been made will have to be fulfilled in the next 5 years. Thank you very much, Piyush Mishra. We'll be waiting for that final announcement.